Baxi Care Kits are designed to support structured, preventative maintenance during routine boiler servicing. Each care kit contains genuine, boiler-specific components selected to replace high-wear parts that naturally degrade over time. All parts are engineered, tested and approved for use in Baxi boilers, ensuring correct fit, safe operation and consistent performance. There is a kit recommended to use during an annual service focusing on key consumables such as seals. And there is a kit designed for use during a 5-year or milestone service and includes the seals plus additional perishable items like electrodes, Schrader valve core and plate heat exchanger gaskets. Replacing these components proactively helps maintain combustion integrity, pressure stability and system efficiency, reducing the risk of leaks, breakdowns and avoidable callouts. Baxi Care Kits provide a consistent manufacturer-led approach to preventative maintenance, supporting efficient servicing and long-term boiler reliability.